What's up, YouTube? How's everyone? Good morning. See if we can catch a nice trade. I'll be right back, YouTube. I'm going to mute you for a minute. Just talk amongst yourselves. All right, I'm back, YouTube. All right. Let's do this.
Let's get it, Crazy Glock.
Are you going to share your screen, Jadon, or?
Yes. Unless you want to.
I'm good.
You are welcome to. I'm not selfish with the screen share. Thank you, Mr. Gene.
What's up? I'm watching right down here for a bounce, everyone, if we get down there. It's the only thing I like at the moment.
Let's get it, y'all. Gonna get music playing. Got the water here. Got the small coffee here. Somewhere. I don't know where though.
All right.
Oh, this?
If you have any questions, YouTube, drop them in chat. think I think I may drop the I may give you all a launch date over the weekend for the automated strategies. TradingView is a chart platform, but check it out. Google TradingView.
Yep, gotta have it sometimes.
Oh. The fair value gap smacking off the open, huh? What are you watching, Jay Dunn?
Nothing at the moment. Staying patient. The first 15 minutes.
This 22,480 area on NQ is what I'm watching for bounce. I guess I better log into my broker.
Oh, whoops. I clicked screen share. I didn't actually end up clicking the. There we go. Now our screen share is live. Is live. Let's see what we get. Let's see what they end up giving us.
Well. Welcome in, everyone. Appreciate you all for joining. See if we can't catch a trade here. Watching this area here for a bounce. Oh, nice, Luke. I see Luke Gay. Oh, I got some more take profit accounts to give away today. I about forgot.
You only swear.
Gotta be a little bit later, so. A little bit later. If you want to find the indicators on the screen, you go to grizzlytrades.com, okay? You can go to the description here on the live, you'll see it. grizzlytrades.com. Luke, try 5 of them. See how you like that. You just adjust from there. See how comfortable you all are with that position size, you know. What?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it, everybody. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go, Team Bowl. Nothing on the 4 hour. Nothing on the 1 hour.
No, it's from today. You mean overnight? Is that what you're saying?
Let's get it, everybody in Team Bowl. Let's see what they give us in this next 5-minute close.
Yeah, I like the overnight levels, Z trades.
We'll have our opening range in.
From day open to market open.
No trades from me yesterday, so see if we get something today. I gotta mark these out too. Whoops.
Turn my volume up.
All right, guys, our levels are marked.
Can you all hear me? You may have to turn it yours up, Joseph, on your side. Yeah.
Right in touch that 50% retracement, huh? Can ride up there and test that retracement.
What a candle. Interesting. What are you
Let's
you
see,
all
everybody.
lacking, YouTube?
You got anything to watch, Grizzly Glock?
Yeah, I'm watching this bounce area, 22,480 area. Well, we touched pre-market low, but I want overnight lows rather, pre-market low. I want that 22,480 area. What's up? Oh, we're not trading anything right now. We're just watching. No setups yet. We're not in a trade. So 15-minute range is in. Let's get the 30-minute ranges in. 30-minute range in. Take a look at the news and events. Make sure we're not going to get caught in any weird data or anything. We do have pending home sales. We have pending home sales at 10 a.m.
But that's going to be low. Still didn't close low enough for me to go below the orb, so we'll see. Close below pre-market low, but not the orb. It tells me I typically wait unless I see something in price action where I'm willing to take a little higher as trade, then I'll just wait.
Brian, if we confirm down there, I will. I want to see what we do. If we break below that previous day close at 22,472.5, I'm probably going to not look for the bounce anymore. Probably not going to look for a bounce anymore. Just follow the orb criteria at that point.
Still staying patient, y'all. What's up, Jay Quinn? Welcome back, bro.
Z Trades. Do you have your settings the same? Go to your settings on your.
783. Pretty cool computer. There we go. Yeah, we can't let that happen again, Trade Hunter.
Hold on, I gotta focus here, Z. But it's your chart settings. How much risk is there? Don't pump up too much.
All right, let's see how this 5-minute candle ends up closing. Potentially a higher volume.
That's what I'm watching for right here, everyone. That was my bounce area. I'm waiting on this confirmation. But it looks like it's gonna pump up too much. Every bounce area I get, it hits it. Before we can get confirmation, it pushes up too much. Adds too much risk for a full size.
Let's see.
I'm going to start my position in longs. I'm leaving room to add, everyone. Leaving room to add.
What is that? So 515. I hate how low we went there. I like the idea, Grizzly.
Ideally, I'll add to my position around the pre-market low if we pull back. Keep my stop below previous day close 22,472.5.
I'll try a small piece with you too.
It could get the 50% retracement if we continue on down here.
I like building a small piece. I like, ideally, I mean, we have, ideally I can move back to like 500 area. 500 to 495, but I did try a small piece of the micros. Tried a small piece of longs, micros. With room to add. Down there near 510. 511. I'd like to see, if you want a safer entry, I like the possibility of the longs at 495 with stops below here at 476, but it was worth the risk for me.
Yes, we do have pending home sales in 3 minutes, so anytime we have news, just keep your hard stop in. You don't want it just
So
destroying your account. And feel free to trim up here if you're nervous about the news. Okay. Manage your trades how you see fit. I'll let you know how I manage mine though.
I'm in such a small size. Since I took that starter out, I'm not trimming here, but yeah, it's 15 points. 17 points now. If I was scalping, I would definitely take some off here. Totally. But small position, it's not really worth it. Nice initial entry, Grizzly.
Thanks.
So we were looking at the same thing, that 5-minute candle in the volume, huh?
Yeah, well, I had that zone there as well.
Look at your bounce level too.
Yeah.
We have news in 2 minutes. It's up 20 points, guys. Manage how you see fit.
I'm taking a trim, everyone. Moving my stop to entry. I trim my position, so this will be a winning trade regardless. Stop loss to entry.
Took a turn there with you too, Grizzly.
Nice. Nice trade.
Almost 30 points. 30 points right there.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Let's go, Grizzglock. And more. Let's go. Yo, Team Bo. That's 30 points for Grizzglock and I. That's 30 points.
Call me crazy, but I'm moving my stop up. So I'm going to trail it close for this news because we could push down. It's not always a big mover, but
let's go.
You never know.
Let's go. Oh my gosh, still in 40 points here, guys. 40 points. Oh my gosh, 50 points.
There we go.
Yo!
I moved my stop up to previous day high. 22,548 is my new stop. I'm letting it run. I would trim again, but I don't have nothing to trim. If I sell, I'm out. So if you have multiple runners, trim.
Team Bull, y'all made money. I want you to type out how much y'all made on that trim. You're up 50 plus points. Oh my gosh, with Grizzly or myself. How are we doing today? Let me see it in the chat. Let's get the energy flowing.
It's been a decent, well, I say decent. It's been a solid trading week.
490. We're making money today. 250, 800, 648, 380, 562, 500, 500, 900, 230, 400. Oh my gosh, we are eating, baby. Live every single day. That's what we do. 900, pass my eval. Come on. 441, let's go. Yes, sir. That was awesome, Grizzly. Great first entry there, bro.
Appreciate it, man.
That was awesome. 50 points off the open. Almost 60. We got 71. 59 points. Wow. Wow.
That's
wow,
awesome
wow.
striking. Congrats, man. Come on, push up.
Let's go. I got out of the trade completely. Probably silly move, but money bags. Oh my gosh. That was awesome.
30-minute ranges in as well. 30-minute ranges in. We could get a orb entry to the upside as well.
I think you probably look for next up, Pre-Market High. That was awesome, fellas. All right. That was awesome, Grizzly. What a good way to start the day off.
Is it good?
Goal. Probably sold early, but whatever.
See that, Trade Hunter? Good point. Now let's just see if this orb confirms. We may give it a go if it does. The 30-minute range.
Goes in, Lord.
You know, we have a fair value gap in VWAP at 22,530. the 50% range of the fair value gap and VWAP. 22,530 area.
We have let them know on the live stream because he only joins late. If y'all count that first trade,
Trade's over for me.
There's no reason to keep trading.
Trade is over for me, everyone. Just 22,530 area could be a possible bounce area. I'm gonna watch it. The continuation, bounce for continuation. Thanks, Julian.
And we are done 30 minutes into the day.
I do some of my best trading up around all-time highs, everyone. I have a edge for some reason at all-time highs. We'll see if it plays out this year or not. But it can make it very difficult for certain strategies. Well, we touched the fair value gap. Not really, Brandon. I don't. No, Eddie, I'm out of the trade. I closed it out. I was trying to hold off to sell my last one around pre-market highs, but didn't quite get to it. Oh, sorry, I was talking to Team Bull.
Man, what an awesome opening trade, guys. What an awesome opening trade.
I mean, technically, this could be a long entry, everyone. We opened out of it, but I want to wait on the orb. You can try it. You just have to, keep your stop loss. Know your risk, not something I'm taking. I'll let you know if I take anything else. YouTube. Or if you wanted an even tighter stop, you could put it right there. But for me, it would have to be below VWAP if I took it. All right, I'm gonna give let me look real quick at something. Then I will finish. Oh yeah. Jacquees Goins. I probably said that horribly, so don't judge me on pronouncing your name. You can DM me on Instagram with your email associated with Take Profit. It has to be linked to Take Profit before you send me that email and say giveaway. And I'll send you a 50K Take Profit account. I'm going to pick one more here. One more. Let me see. Patrick McKenna. DM me on Instagram. You get one of them as well. Now let's focus on this orb. I gave away like 6 yesterday. I'm gonna do another giveaway next week. A couple more, so be here. Need to do some cash, right? I don't know what the rules on that are doing the cash here, but I'm planning on announcing the launch date for the automated strategies over the weekend on my YouTube, on my Instagram. So sorry, Live Hunt game.
You ain't even noticed. Let's get it, y'all. Let's see what we can get. You catch that with me, Gene? Where are you going? Nice.
Real quick, YouTube, can we get the thumbs up to 100? Plenty of you all in here. They're at 63 right now. Should take like 2 seconds.
I'll be right back, y'all.
Green Eyes, if you trade with Green Eyes, this is not my trade. He said he's in longs on NQ or MNQ, whichever one you prefer. I just seen him type it, so not a trade I'm taking. I'm just trying to give you all, the most value I can here. But I gave you that long ideal earlier. I just said I wanted to wait on the orb, If if you took this test of this fair value gap. And remember, if you want this indicator that you see, this is my personal one. You can go to grizzlytrades.com and get it. You use code NQ for the first month. It's only like 30 something to try it. So worst case, you just lost the price of a meal, I guess. Cheap meal at that. But if not, I will continue to provide free game for you all as much as possible. So it's up to you. Talk about my automated strategies. What I'm gonna say this, Elizabeth. This sounds like you just have to have it automated. It will be for TradingView, and it can be automated, but you can use it with that. You can use it just like we're using this. It will show the trades on the chart. So whether you automate it or not, that's up to you. I just made it have that ability. But I've got 3 that are ready. They're not going to take trades every day, but used together, you know, you're going to have quite a bit of trades. One of them's a scalping strategy for NQ. One of them's an orb strategy for NQ. And they're all for the 5 minute. And one of them's a strategy for GC, which is gold futures for those that trade that. And even after I drop, I will be adding more to this, okay? As time goes on, I'm going to get better at this. We're going to have more. And I want to say this, it's very important to understand this. Not every strategy or indicator will work in every type of market. These are built for this market, right? We may have to adjust them on down the road if it changes. Because I have done a ton of back testing lately building these. And strategies that worked during Trump's term was not, always the best during Biden's. I feel like, just all the tweets and stuff change it. So we just have to continue to adapt. So that's why I'll continue to add strategies there. Make sense? I like to think of strategies and indicators as tools in your toolbox, right? Sometimes you got to use different ones to get the job done. That's the way I see it. That's why the back test strategy, the back test results I like is a 6-month period, right? I don't like going back 3 years. You might be profitable. I mean, you might. It's hard to explain. I'll just have to show you all when we do the webinar. How to trim a position on Tradebait? You adjust your position size. If you have 2 long,
See anything else you like, Grizzly Glock?
you just adjust to 1, sell it, move your stop on that 1 long. Hold on, Jaden's talking. Yeah, I'm still watching this orb. We bounced that fair value gap nicely though. That red candle that pulled back to the fair value gap.
Have the automated trading strategies took anything yet?
No, I'm hoping we'll catch some longs with them though here on the orb. That's what I would like to see.
Drops, y'all are gonna have to check that out. Grizzly and I've been working hard on it behind the scenes.
And it's almost time.
Think of it as an indicator on steroids with the ability, obviously full risk on, for it to take the trades for you.
And it has aged me about 10 years building these, so. I've enjoyed it, I guess.
It's pretty sweet to see the robot trading.
Well, the good thing about these strategies, you can use them as an indicator. You can just watch the chart if you don't want it automated, or you can make it automated. So
it's pretty sweet. TradingView.
You have to come here to your settings. Make sure you have this on. Sometimes you have to remove your indicators, everyone. If TradingView is being weird, it's on. Sometimes it's on their side. You just have to remove your stuff and put it back, or create new charts and kind of refresh it.
Double R truck is not a lease. Charlotte, the time I had my Glock with me.
Yeah, if you're.
Sorry, Grizzly, go ahead.
I was gonna say, that's a good point that Panda brought up. They're not gonna take trades every day. You may go 2, 3, 4 days without a trade, right? I've not built something that's gonna take 50, 60 trades a day. And if you find out, if you use a prop firm that allows it, they don't allow trading strategies like that anyways. They allow the ones that are actually based off strategies and, not taking a trade every few seconds for a micro scalp,
Bro, you know who has just been absolutely crashing out on social media, Grizzly?
Who?
You ever follow that Liver King guy?
Liver King?
Dude, bro is going nuts.
Oh, someone sent me that.
Dude is losing it, bro.
I don't.
Talking of losing it.
I don't know. I think he's just trying to do like the Paul brothers do, come at people to get attention, help sales.
Dude, it's like bro is crashing out. His mouth is blue. One of his pupils is dilated. He's like crawling around wanting to fight Joe Rogan. I'm like, dude, what are you doing, bro?
He's got to come off them cycles sometimes, Do a cleanse.
Joe Rogan. Oh man, tripping, bro. He's crashing out completely. I'm taking GD over Liver King. Close below the 15-minute high. Let's see. Volume high. 554, 569. I mean, honestly, this doesn't look bad for a retest back down to this orb high.
Well, that previous 5-minute candle did not have enough volume to confirm on my automated strategy. Yeah, it wasn't enough volume. I've got it got it set up where it kind of shows me all the data, why it doesn't do stuff, and it shows when there's not enough volume or, it's not following trend.
Interesting.
No, let's not, Will. I don't talk about stuff like that. I care less.
Three. And speaking, if you want to try longs, you can try them in here, and then keep your stops below 554.
That was a possible retest.
I did not enter on this. Cut that one good trade this morning. I don't really want to give back my gains since it wasn't full size, but it doesn't look half bad. not look half bad.
Couldn't care less. Well, my coffee is empty, YouTube.
I'm not in notice, you guys are aware.
When am I dropping? I'm going to announce the drop date this coming weekend on my Instagram. Real quick, everyone, I'm still sticking around for a bit, YouTube, but if you want to get funded, try funded accounts. Go to grizzlytrades.com, check out Take Profit Trader. You can, once you pass the eval, you can reach payouts on day one of being funded. And they're one of the best in the game. So check them out. Use code Grizzly for the best available discount. Helps me out, and it keeps you from, trying firms that are no good. It's gonna mess with you. What is this? Oh, still about Joe Rogan. Team Boy talking about Joe Rogan still. Yeah, I appreciate you all for hitting 100 likes. Thumbs up. Taylor, I still swing trade them. For a while there, they kept the IV so high on same day expiration, it didn't make no sense to trade them to me. Too much capital on the line.
Excuse me. Thank you, Gene.
Bless you.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, I did make a nice bag, Luke, on that swing. Best trade of the week for me, as far as profit. I'd say it'd probably be right at a 10K week for me, I guess. I'll have to look on as far as stock market goes.
Oh.
See, my plan is more like I don't like the spotlight, everyone. I'm going to drop these strategies and make that my focus, helping people make money in the stock market. That way. Doing my best to, at least. I just want to move off grid, forget about the rest.
Oh my gosh, there's that pump off the orb.
Whoa.
There's that orb pump.
Green Eyes had a nice trade there with that. I don't know if he was still in, but it smacked.
Got 20 more points too till mega trade level from our initial entry. Love to see it.
YouTube, did anybody take that green ice trade I told you about? It's smacky.
You're doing a nice job adapting your trading, Grizzly.
San, you're. What do you say? What'd you say, Jordan? I was.
I'm saying you've done a nice job adapting your trading. You were kind of
Yeah, appreciate it.
not
Man.
feeling it for a little bit.
Yeah, I feel like my edge comes back in towards these all-time high ranges.
Yep.
Even in this market, it seems to be.
That orb is playing out. If you guys took that, definitely trim stops at break even. It's a trade I 100% would have taken had I not had a nice winning trade, 60 plus points. Almost now, if I would have held up to almost 100 points so far.
You're not allowed to take you're not allowed to use automated strategy like take trades every second, right? For little micro profits, Sam. Some of them don't like that. It's like, okay, let me catch 0.25 on this trade or 0.50, you know.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, everybody. Oh.
Well, YouTube, I don't really see anything else that could confirm for us here, unless you want to watch the pre-market high trend. But
Hey, let's go, RC. That's what I'm talking about.
I'm not sure if we go up much further. We'll see. I think I'm gonna call it a morning here, and the YouTube live will probably start back next week. See if I can't give you all some more accounts, all that good stuff. Oh, San, that the NQ strategy I'm building or have built, that's what it does. It takes 5 point. It's only 1-to-1. It's a scalping, but 5 point trims. Well, it's a little bit better than 1-to-1, I believe. I'll show you all. It's based on trend. Why is that a fair value gap? What do you notice on this candle here? That's my question to you, but all right, I'm gonna head out, everyone. Appreciate you all.